In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to factory reset Windows 11 without logging in PC. If you are locked out or the system isn't behaving and you need a clean start, you can reset Windows right from the login or lock screen. I will guide you through each screen and explain what the choices mean so you can pick the option that best fits your situation. Start on the Windows 11 login or lock screen. Look to the bottom right corner and click the power icon. Now, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard, and while you are still holding it, click Restart. Keep holding Shift until you see a blue Choose an Option screen. This special startup mode is called Advanced Startup, and it's exactly what we need to access the reset tools without signing in. On the blue screen, select Troubleshoot. Next, click Reset this PC. This opens the Reset Wizard, which will walk you through a few decisions. First, choose the reset type. Keep My Files will remove your apps and settings but attempt to preserve your personal documents, like items in your user folders. It's a good option if you want to repair Windows without wiping your personal data. Remove Everything will delete all personal files, apps, and settings for a completely fresh start. Pick this if you are giving the PC away, selling it, or if you want the cleanest reset. Keep in mind that removing everything is permanent and can't be undone. Next, choose how Windows will be reinstalled. Cloud Download will fetch a fresh copy of Windows 11 from Microsoft over the internet. Use this if you have a reliable connection. It can resolve problems caused by corrupted local files, but it may download several gigabytes. Local Reinstall uses the recovery files already on your device. It's generally faster and doesn't require internet, but if those files are damaged, the reset may not be as effective. After you've made your selections, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. You'll see a summary of what will happen. When you are ready, click Reset. The process can take anywhere from about 30 minutes to over an hour, depending on your hardware, the options you chose, and whether you selected Cloud Download. Your PC will restart several times. This is normal. Make sure the device stays powered on and plugged in throughout. And don't interrupt the process. Once the reset completes, Windows will finish preparing the system and bring you back to a fresh environment based on your choices. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.